Hi friends, welcome back. Today I'm going to be making Tsukimi Dango, the traditional Japanese rice dumplings. Tsukimi means moon viewing festival at the end of September. We offer the rice dumplings to the moon thanks to the harvest. And I made adorable rabbit-shaped dumplings this year. Let's get started. There are two types of glutinous rice flour in the market, mochiko and shiratamako. You can use any of those. The difference between mochiko and shiratamako is the texture of the final product. Shiratamako makes an elastic and chewy texture and a finer texture. Mochiko makes almost the same but less elastic. Both flours made from glutinous rice flour. When you make a dumplings, you're gonna combine with the rice flour to create a bouncy texture. 3-part rice flour and 2 parts glutinous rice flour is a standard ratio and that is easy to work with. You can make Tsukimi Dango with 100% mochiko or shiratamako and you can decide the ratio to your preference. The more glutinous rice flour you add, the more final products becomes stickier. Combine rice flour and glutinous rice flour and sugar in a bowl. When you add sugar to dango, it will keep soft longer. Whisk well and add water little by little to distribute evenly. When the dough comes together, take it out onto the working surface. Knead until smooth. If you add too much water, the dough becomes watery and difficult to handle, so be sure to add water little by little. We describe this stage as an earlobe. It's almost like a Play-Doh. Shape into a cylinder and mark the center of each half and then divide each part into 3. And you have 12 equal portions. And shape them into a balls. Boil for about 2 to 3 minutes and then cook another 1 minute to cook through when the dumplings float onto the surface. Transfer to icy cold water to stop cooking. Cool completely and then take out onto a mesh tray greased with oil to prevent sticking and dry out the surface a little bit before stacking. Next, we are going to make pumpkin dumplings, represents the moon itself, and it's delicious too. Remove seeds and skin from the pumpkin and cook in the microwave until soft. Mash until you get a nice smooth paste. Combine rice flour and glutinous rice flour and mashed pumpkin and mix until evenly combined before adding water. Add just a little bit of salt to enhance the sweetness from the pumpkin and add water a little by little until it comes together. If you add too much water and the dough becomes too watery, adjust with a bit more glutinous rice flour or rice flour. Knead until smooth and shape into balls. And boil as we did to the plain dumplings. Stack them on the serving tray and we are ready to offer to the moon. Now let's make rabbit dumplings. Make a dough as we did before, but this is 100% shiratamako. Shape into oval and pinch the side to look like a rabbit. Boil until cooked through and then dry out the surface. Heat your skewer until hot, then apply it on the surface just like this. Use a toothpick and put eyes on the dumplings with red food coloring. How adorable are they? After offering to the moon, we eat them with appreciation. Drizzle soy sauce and sprinkle a little bit of sugar. You can go with red bean paste or whatever you want. You can keep it soft until the next day, but if it becomes firm, quickly reheat it in a microwave. I like it put them in a soup the next day. I hope you will give this recipe a try. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families. And consider subscribing if you don't want to miss any of my new videos. And follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And join my happy eating group to share your food with me. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. And for more information, visit my website princessbamboo.com. Thanks again and I will see you soon. Bye!